In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We'll use Google Calendar to create an appointment schedule, add and edit events, and set up and share a new calendar, all while staying organized in the week view for the week of February 15th, 2026. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and switch to week view so you can see your whole week at a glance. To build an appointment schedule, click the Create button and choose Appointment Schedule, then select New. Give your schedule a clear, descriptive name so guests immediately know what the time blocks are for. When you're ready, click Next. Review the default availability and options, and then click Save. If your organization restricts booking windows or access, those controls will appear here. Use them to match your needs. Now let's add a quick event directly on the calendar. Click a time slot in the week, type a short title, then confirm the date. For example, choose Sunday, February 15th, and select the hour you want, say 4 o'clock p.m. Click Save to place it on your schedule. This is the fastest way to capture something without leaving the grid. Next, open an existing event in the week, such as a 2 o'clock p.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. slot on Tuesday, February 17th. In the event details, click the title field to give it a meaningful name and add any notes in the description so attendees know the context. If you're meeting in person or online, set the location or conferencing option. To invite someone, start typing their name or email in the Guests field and select the correct person from the suggestions. Click Save to apply your changes. If you want to double-check who's invited, click See Guest List, then save again when you're done. If you made edits you don't want to keep, use Discard to revert before you leave the page. Let's set up a new calendar for a project or team. From the left sidebar, open the Add Calendar options, choose Subscribe to Calendar if you're following someone else's, or Create New Calendar to make your own. Enter a name and optional description, then click Create Calendar. Click Configure to jump into its settings. Under Sharing, look for the section that controls access. If you need a link to share view access, choose the Shareable Link option provided to you, keeping in mind your organization's privacy policies. If you decide not to change anything, click Cancel to exit. Return to your week view and click your meeting on Monday, February 16th from 1 o'clock p.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. to confirm details. That's it. Your appointments, events, and shared calendars are now set up and ready to use.